All right, let's have a look at the markets. Let's see what we're finding. Let's start with four hourly. Okay, so we've had push up. Now seems as though sellers are coming down. Let's go to the hourly. Okay. I think sellers are gearing up to come down. And I think sellers are going to come down this week. At some point this week, they're going to breach this level. It's not quite ready yet. I think buyers will attempt another push up to at least break that level. Potentially, buyers can get up to this level again. But then sellers will crash it down. That's what I'm seeing on here. Yeah, I reckon this will be a similar thing throughout. So we have this push and this push. We need a pullback and then potentially another push, which comes up to challenge this level, and then a drop. Yeah, the sellers don't seem quite ready to make this drop. Let's have a look at FTSE. Oh, okay. FTSE seems to have made more strides. So we have that push up, this push up, and sellers have come down. I'm anticipating another push up before sellers bring it all the way down to this level, potentially even going down a bit lower. I think all of this, let me grab this. So I think sellers, when they come down, they can come down to this level. But all of this between here and here, because there's a tail here, is up for grabs. So sellers can come all the way down to here, maybe going a bit lower, although this will take some time. By the end of this week, I don't think they're gonna reach this level, but this level, yep, maybe this range somewhere here. Yeah, there's not really much to say for now. Things are just setting up for a sell. We've had this push and then this push, which is ridiculously weaker than this push. So these guys, when prices come down to here again, I don't think they're going to have the strength to take it to this level again. So I think prices are definitely going to beat this level when it comes down. This isn't a strong SNR. I think the stronger, let me clear this up a bit. The stronger SNR is around about here, potentially, depending on how these guys are. But until then, just kind of have to bide some time. Well, interesting. This, in theory, can come crashing down from now. I mentioned earlier that I reckon there'll be another push up to break this level. But because these buyers were so weak, it wouldn't surprise me if it came crashing down from here. Which will kind of align with what seems to be setting up right now. In that this push up followed by this push up and then a pullback. So what's happening right now is this pullback. Where this pullback ends, I'm not sure. I'm not sure because these guys that came up were so weak that these guys coming down, in theory, really shouldn't have a problem with any of these guys because they really didn't do much. They didn't make a level. on this time frame, it seems as though buyers will make one more attempt upwards, like I said, to break this level before the sellers really take over. Right now it just seems to be sitting up, so there's not much else to say on this. Let me quickly, just out of interest, have a look at Japan, because Asia is next to open, right? So we have this push. You see now on this market, this secondary push up, this move right here really didn't do much. So we'll have to see how this leg performs, whether it comes all the way down or hovers or stops around about here somewhere. Let me clear this up a bit. Maybe it stops around here again. Buyers make a final attempt, because although this leg is weaker than this leg, it's not to say that they're completely done. We won't know until this leg happens. So once this leg has happened, we'll have some more data, and then we can say with more certainty or more conviction what's the most likely thing to happen. Yeah, we just need to see how this pull down happens. If this leg right now, that's still in progress, ends up being stronger than this first leg, then we're looking for another leg down, which could end up being, this is like this right now, which could end up, well, if this leg is stronger, this leg come down, could end up being something like this, that goes down some more. If this continues to go down in a steady-ish manner, so something like this, then there's definitely going to be another push up. So all depends on this current leg. We'll give it some time, wait and see what happens, and once we have more data, I'll be able to give my views on it some more. All right, I'll leave it there for now. Bye for now.